So you choose the wrong name for your Unity project. It's okay, we all make mistakes. I myself named the game project I'm working on as Isekai Survival Game. The good thing is that you can rename your Unity project anytime you want, and that's what we're seeing in this video, right here, right now. First of all, let's locate our project folder. For that, you just go to Unity Hub and in your project, click on the dots icon and choose Show in Explorer. You never know what might happen, so it's always a good idea to back up your project. For example, you could duplicate your entire project folder and rename that folder with the name you want. Then you go to Unity Hub, click on Add Project from Disk, and select that new project folder. That way you keep the original project in case there is a problem, but you have a copy named as you want, and when you make sure everything is okay, delete the original project and continue to move forward with the renamed version. At this point, we just need to wait for the backup to complete and we can safely open the project. Now, real programmers doesn't fear to spend dozens of hours solving issues that could have been avoided by having a little patience to wait a couple minutes for the backup to complete. So I'm just gonna stop this nonsense, remove it from Unity Hub, along with the original project. Then I rename the original project folder with a more meaningful name. Go to Unity Hub, Add Project from Disk, and select that new folder. That way I can start working as soon as possible in my project without having almost any issues. Just a small detail, all the scripts I had opened in Visual Studio were closed, so maybe it would have been a good idea to take a screenshot of all those scripts to remember them, but there's no problem. I'll just spend a couple hours finding them again. I think I only have a couple hundreds of them, so there's not really a problem. The important thing is that I renamed my project as I want. Remember to subscribe to this channel. You have my Unity GitHub repositories to clone in the description, and also a couple videos about my game in case you want to know a little more about it. See you next time.